Hey guys, this is Dylan with Green Industries. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this TORO Titan. Engine oil maintenance is crucial to the life of your machine. Every manufacturer recommends it to be done at 10 hours for break-in services and then every 100 hours after. Today we're working on the TORO Titan. You could jack it up or you could leave it on level ground. I'm going to remove this wheel so you could get a better visual of the process here. Tools that you'll need are an 8mm Allen wrench or a T-handle, 19mm or 3/4 inch wrench, an oil filter wrench or pliers. Additionally, you'll need an oil pan, a rag, and some brake clean. For this oil change, you'll need 2 quarts of Kohler 1030 oil and a Kohler full flow oil filter. TORO makes it really easy to change this oil. You're gonna grab the drain hose here, your 19mm or 3/4 inch wrench, and your Allen head, and give it a good turn. So next you're gonna grab your oil pan, slide underneath, put the drain hose through the frame, find a place where it sticks out where the drain pan will catch all the oil. Then you're gonna grab your Allen wrench again, and then you're just gonna give it a good twist until it comes out. While the engine oil is draining, I typically change the filter. When you do so, oil is gonna come out, so I always recommend to have a rag or an absorbent pad like so. I'm just gonna stick it underneath the filter here, grab my oil filter wrench or pliers, and then you're just gonna take the filter off, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So once you take this old filter off, you're gonna grab your new filter here, and you're gonna pre-fill it a little bit and take some and rub it around the O-ring here, and then just put it in here and twist it on. So once the oil filter's snug, you're just gonna give it 1/4 turn tighter. Now that all the engine oil is drained, you can pull this drain hose back through and take the plug and screw it back in. And then you're gonna grab the 19mm or 3/4 inch wrench and your Allen head screw and tighten it nice and snug. Now we're gonna remove the oil pan, put the wheel back on, and fill this engine up with some oil. We're gonna use Kohler 1030. The dry sump capacity of this engine is 2 quarts. When you do the oil change, you don't completely get all the oil out. So we're gonna fill it up to 1.5 quarts, run it for 30 seconds, and then adjust accordingly. So after running the engine for a little bit, checking the oil, and adjusting it accordingly, I recommend you clean up the excess oil that may have been spilled around the engine. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, check out all our other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.